What's the meaning of ballyhoo? Ballyhoo. Ballyhoo.
Ballyhoo. Ballyhoo. Ballyhoo is a term that refers to loud, showy, and often exaggerated publicity or promotion for a person, product, or event. In short, it's a form of hype that is designed to get people's attention and generate interest or excitement. Ballyhoo has long been a part of marketing and advertising, particularly in the entertainment industry where it is used to promote movies, concerts, and other cultural events. The term is also used colloquially to describe any form of exaggerated or over-the-top behavior or promotion. However, while ballyhoo may be effective in capturing people's attention, it's important to ensure that there is substance behind the hype and that promises are kept.